bitches. Bow down, bitches. Bow down, bitches. Hey! H-Town.
As fuck, everything about me poppin'. Got face, I got body, you name it, I got it. Cocky as fuck, bitch, you know I'm conceited. Yo, hoe wanna be me, yo, nigga want eat it. Cocky as fuck, everything about me poppin'. Got face, I got body, you name it, I got it. Cocky as fuck, nigga, fuck your opinion. I hustle or get it, I get it, I get it. I am not seeking approval. I'm number one, I tell bitches what to do. He heard I'm Creole, he think I know voodoo. Bitch, I will twist your ass up like a noodle. Ho, you a copy of me, you a doodle. Bitches is blocking to me like I'm Kodak. All of my bitches is yellow, they Bodak. Hop out the whip at the light and they throw that. Cocky as fuck in the mouth with your daddy, he kissing the ground that I walk on. Cocky as fuck in the pit with your nigga, he bought everything that I got on. Ayy, throw that, bitch, I look good and you know that. They say I got me some money and change. Little bitch, you knew I was popping before that. Ayy, yeah, sexy as fuck. Look in the mirror, I'm madly in love. Rubbing some dubs on the bitch in the tub. Yo, nigga suck it like a Capri Sun. Tell him, come pick me up at the school. I'm tryna hammer that dick like a screw. I'm tryna give you something you could chew. I'm tryna give you that M.A. that ooh. I got the moves like a damn kangaroo. Foot in they air cause these bitches my shoes. I am the captain, they do what I do. On top of these bitches head like a roof. Cocky as fuck and my friends cocky too. I'm fine as fuck and they all sexy too. If I got beef with you, they got it too. Bitch, I'm the truth for your nigga to prove. Cocky as fuck, everything about me poppin'. Got face, I got body, you name it, I got it. Cocky as fuck, bitch, you know I'm conceited. Yo, hoe wanna be me, yo, nigga want eat it. Cocky as fuck, everything about me poppin'. Got face, I got body, you name it, I got it. Cocky as fuck, nigga, fuck your opinion. I hustle or get it, I get it, I get it. Bitch, do it look like I fight? Ho, just be cool when I got on this ice. This shit is Gucci, this shit is too tight. I only sweat when I go exercise. You cannot touch me, so don't even try. Bitch, I will pull up and pop you like pie. Keep telling bitches this shit could get ratchet. I'm with some niggas that's gon' make it happen. I'm holding my pussy like it's a weapon. I cut a nigga off like a machete. I put a price on your head like you Kelly. Megan from Texas, I'm naturally sexy. This that flossy pussy. I rock suits, that's bossy pussy. Tell him use a lot of spit so I could keep a glossy pussy. He give me neck like a yo-yo. Talk to my kitty like hello. Slide on your mouth like a cello. Bougie but fuck like I'm ghetto. You don't like me, get in line, ho. I be on your mind, though. Bitch, you know I'm poppin', you just hatin' cause I'm fine, ho. Bitch, eat a dick, don't like me, then stay off my shit, You need to hold your tongue, unless you gon' lick on my clit, Cocky as fuck, everything about me poppin'. Got face, I got body, you name it, I got it. Cocky as fuck, bitch, you know I'm conceited. Yo, hoe wanna be me, yo, nigga want eat it. Cocky as fuck, everything about me poppin'. Got face, I got body, you name it, I got it. Cocky as fuck, nigga, fuck your opinion. I hustle or get it, I get it, I get it.
Thinking I can make as many songs. Call a lady when I haven't met her, but she only hit it on my Sarah better. If I say I love her, am I wrong? Am I crazy? Am I overzealous? But I know the feeling, and I'm never wrong. Swear that I've been gifted with a song, and a minute it's intoxicating. It weigh on you heavy like the alcohol. We can do like anything you want. I'm amazing, let it to my lady. I just wanna pleasure, check my catalog. In this life I come across fans and hoes. I like to give my fans a rose. Curse of the talented, everywhere I go they wanna change clothes and pose. But my wife be in my dreams, bruh, no I couldn't see it. I saw her silhouette, I know I can make a way. But when I wake up alone, no, I just break out the phone. Thinking I can make as many songs. But a lady when I haven't been her, but she only hit it on my Sarah better. If I say I love her, am I wrong? Am I crazy? Am I overzealous? But I know the feeling, and I'm never wrong. Swear that I've been gifted with a song, and a minute it's intoxicating. It weigh on you heavy like the alcohol. We can do like anything you want. I'm amazing, letter to my lady. I just wanna pleasure, check my catalog.
Thinking I can make this many songs about a lady, she be heavy up, down. I be in my feelings sometimes. between the sheets, you know I got you yelling.
Thinking I can make this many songs. Call a lady when I haven't met her, but she on me head on my cerebellum. If I say I love her, am I wrong? Am I crazy? Am I overzealous? But I know the feeling, and I'm never wrong. Swear that I've been gifted in a song, and I'm really disintoxicated. Get way on your head like the alcohol. We can do like anything you want. I'm amazing, letter to my lady. I just wanna pleasure, check my catalog. Could it be monogamy ain't meant for me? Nah, that's way too reckless. I'd get too jealous. Could you be from the east or overseas? I learned my lesson. I'm way too western. Could you be my favorite ethnicity? I'm just undressing all of these sections of my thoughts. Thinking too hard. Thinking too hard. But I really wanna live. I can make this many songs. Call a lady when I haven't met her, but she on me head. Oh, my cerebellum.